Gaano ka katagal nawala sa pelikula and welcome back pala?
Thank you. Thank you. I really do choose my movies. In the 35 years I've been in this business, I've done, I think 12. So I like to choose the movie. So I was really grateful when they offered me this role. So I want to thank MQuest. Also, before anything else, I just want to say, it's so nice to see Mr. M. Daming kaming apat na dumaan kay Mr. M. Mr. M, good to see you. A legend at my first director. What was the question, your initial question?
When was the last time?
The last time? I can't remember. I really can't. I think it must have been mga 6 years ago, 7 years ago, and I don't know. I've never seen any of my movies kasi, so it doesn't stick in my head. So.
Yeah, okay. So, my question is, dito sa pelikulang ito, what was your process in bringing Conrad Villarmino to life so he feels real and grounded in this world of Manila's finest?
Well, there was a struggle kasi my character. When you delve into his character, si Chief Villarmino, he's really a straight arrow, right? And which is very similar to my personal character, very straight arrow ako. So he has this conflict and he has this parang war within himself na nakikita niya na yung corruption within the system. So I had to, sinabi sa akin, who's instructing me direct? Si Bombi. So Bombi would instruct me, ito yung nangyari. Although me and Joey kasi, kami lang siguro buhay ng panahon ng martial law. No? I still had to get information about the happenings of that era. But yeah, I really relied on direct Raymond and our Bombi, our acting coach, for me to get into that character.
So, was it a challenge to you?
Super challenge. It's always a challenge for me because acting doesn't come naturally to me. No? Kahit na matagal ka na in this business, bago mag-action, kahit sino ka, kakabahan ka. Minsan nakakalimutan mo na yung lyrics, but yung mga lines mo eh. You know, regardless or however comfortable you are already or how much you've memorized your lines, talagang kakabahan ka pag narinig mo na yung 3, 2, 1, action. You know, so it's always difficult for me, and I think that's one of the things that brings out the best in us when meron kang kaba, hindi ka kampante sa sarili mo.
So, thank you very much and welcome back.
Thank you.